Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Stature, and today we're on our new line of Harris Tri-Tunes here at Grand Lake MarineMax, taking you through this boat, showing you great features that this boat has to offer. Today we're on a 250 cruiser by Harris. This is one of the lower trim levels, but it's very cost effective and great to get you out on the water with your friends and family. So back here at the transom, you have a very nice sun pad. You can sit 3 people back here comfortably. Or if you want to use the space yourself to tan, you can do that as well. This boat is powered by a 200 Mercury. Plenty of horsepower to scoot you across the water, and also comes stocked with a ski tow bar if you want to do some tubing or skiing while you're out on the water as well. Have a transformable seat back here that can go into a couple different positions. Great lounge spot, or if you guys are cruising down the lake, you can flip that forward and have a forward facing seat as well. Got some great seating, bench style seating here on your port side. Obviously got your captain's chair, got your audio functions, throttle, and some switches to do your lighting, as well as bilge. Also have a charger there as well, so you don't have to bring any cords, just plug your phone in there and you'll be good to go. Making your way up to the bow, you got 2 bench style seating here. This is great for bringing a lot of friends and family out on the boat. It can sit plenty of people here. These can also be used as 2 loungers as well. Up here in the bow, you also have a center storage and your center tune. Great for floaties and life jackets. And this is just a great spot to hang out while you're out on the water. So this is a new Harris Cruiser 250. We have plenty of boats here as well. So come and stop by MarineMax and check them out today.